Is it part 2 of the truck meet for you guys? Oh, crap.
Look at these cool trucks.
Oh, wow.
Wow, look at that one.
Nice. Oh, that's cool. I like your truck. You're welcome.
It does look really fucking good It was by accident. I did not know he was getting a picture.
Not a bad turnout.
Yeah, not too bad.
Shout out to Max, Alec, our friend Nick from Neat Classic Cause.
Oh, yeah. Shout out to Max. Shout out to Nick from Neat Classic Cause.
Elijah Nelson.
Shout out to Alex. Shout out to Dexter. Shout out to Nick from Neat Classic Cars. And then one more review for you guys. There we go. Alright, bye guys. Have a good day. And our YouTube channels are Elijah Nelson and DJ Rocks Space Marlin Gamer. Feel free to subscribe to us. And thanks for watching, guys.